How to repair Office 365 in Windows 10. To repair Office 365 on Windows 10, you can follow the steps below. 1. Close all Office applications. 2. Open the control panel on your Windows 10 computer. 3. Click on Programs and Features or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows 10 version. 4. Find and select Microsoft Office 365 from the list of installed programs. 5. Click on the Modify or Change button. 6. In the next window, select Online Repair and click on the Repair button. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. Once the repair process is complete, you should be able to open and use your Office 365 applications without any issues. If the Office 365 repair process is not working on Windows 10, you can try the following steps. 1. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Restart your computer and try repairing Office 365 again. 3. Try using the Office Repair Tool, which is a standalone application that can repair Office 365 even when the built-in repair tool fails. You can download the Office Repair Tool from the Microsoft website and follow the instructions to run it. 4. If the repair tool still doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Office 365. To do this, go to Programs and Features in the control panel, find Microsoft Office 365 and click on Uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, you can reinstall Office 365 from your Microsoft account or by using an installation disk. 5. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Microsoft support for further assistance. It's important to note that repairing or reinstalling Office 365 may result in the loss of some of your personal settings or preferences, so you should back up any important files or data before proceeding. Here are some of the common Office 365 repairing error codes that you may encounter. Error code 0 to 1018. This error usually occurs when there is a problem with the Office installation files. It may indicate that the installation files are corrupted or that the installation source is not available. Error code 0 to 1007. This error occurs when the Office installation process is interrupted or fails due to a network or connectivity issue. Error code 0 to 1028. This error usually occurs when there is an issue with the Office activation process. It may indicate that the Office product key is invalid or that there is a problem with the activation server. Error code 30015-6-1. This error can occur during the Office installation or repair process, and it usually indicates that there is a problem with the installation files or the internet connection. Error code 30102-11. This error usually occurs when there is a problem with the Office update process. It may indicate that the update files are corrupted or that there is an issue with the Windows Update service. Error code 30088-4. This error can occur during the Office installation or update process, and it usually indicates that there is a problem with the internet connection or the firewall settings. If you encounter any of these error codes while repairing Office 365 on Windows 10, you should try the troubleshooting steps recommended by Microsoft or seek assistance from their support team.